Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Mighty Networks. First, begin by creating your account and selecting a plan that fits your needs, whether it's the community plan or the business plan. Clearly define your community's purpose and who you want to serve. This foundational step ensures your network has a clear direction from day one. Choose a memorable network name that resonates with your brand and audience. Next, let's make your network uniquely yours. Upload your brand logo and select custom colors to match your visual identity, creating a cohesive experience. Consider setting up a custom domain, which adds a professional touch and makes your network easily discoverable. Finally, craft an engaging landing page and a warm welcome message to greet new members effectively. Now, it's time to build the core structure of your community. Create various spaces to organize different topics, content, or member activities. You can add engaging courses for structured learning or set up interactive groups for focused discussions. Remember to configure the privacy settings for each space or group, deciding if they are public, private, or secret to control access. Finally, it's time to launch your Mighty Network and foster engagement. Begin by inviting your initial members, perhaps a small group of early adopters, to get things started. Post compelling content and initiate discussions to encourage early interaction and build momentum. Regularly review your network's analytics to understand member activity and identify areas for growth and improvement, ensuring a thriving community.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.